guys, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my house. I'm going to do an ocean current convection activity with you guys today. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you guys know how much I miss seeing your faces every day and how I can't wait to get back into school so we can do some more learning together. But for now, this online thing seems to be working, and I hope you guys are enjoying the activities that we have put together for you. This activity is meant to be done along with the Nearpod that's also assigned in your Google Classroom. It doesn't matter which order you do it in, but the Nearpod will help you better understand what's happening or why this is happening. So the first thing you need, you really just need water and food coloring for this activity. It's super simple. So the first thing you need to do is basically make a colorful ice cube. So I have just some regular water from my kitchen sink, and put a few drops of food coloring in it, stir it up a little bit. I do have this little mat down underneath because food coloring can stain if it spills onto the carpet or if it gets on your hands. My hands have some green on them. So just stir it up a little bit, pour it into an ice cube tray or even just a cup. You only need an inch or two of liquid, throw it in the freezer, and then you will have your ice cube. A darker color, food coloring, really works best because you want to be able to see the colored water or the ice cube water when you put it into the regular water. So we'll get to that. So this is going to go in the freezer and create an ice cube. So for the video purposes, I've actually already done that. I have my green ice cube right here in this one. And then I just have a clear glass or a jar works, something you can see through easily that won't have any color to it, so you can see that it's clear, of warm water. So you can just get the water from your faucet, put it on pretty warm, and put it into your clear glass. And then you're going to take out your huge colorful ice cube and put it into your glass of warm water. The ice is going to float because it's less dense. And then as the ice melts in your warmer water, you can see that the cool water, the melted ice, automatically sinks down to the bottom because that cold water is going to be more dense than the warm water. So it's interesting, the ice is less dense, which makes it float. And then as soon as the ice melts, it's cold water. So that cold water is going to sink down to the bottom. And then once it kind of gets mixed in or gets warmed up a little bit, it's going to mix in with the warmer water around it. So that's how we have our little convection cycle or convection current. You can see the water as it melts, it just drops straight down, kind of stays together. And then it's going to eventually circle back up, and that's your little convection cell right there. So that's what happens in the oceans. And as you might know from the diagrams that you did earlier, there are also convection cells in the geosphere and in the atmosphere. But this specifically talks about the hydrosphere. The Nearpod is about the ocean currents and the ocean convection cells. So this is a good model of that. Let me know if you have any questions. You guys keep up your communication. I love hearing from you. And I hope that you enjoy this activity, and I hope to see you soon. All right, take care. Bye.